You will need 1 pound of sausage, 6 medium thinly sliced potatoes, and 2 cups of cheese, and 1 medium chopped onion. Preheat oven to 375 degrees. Grease a 9x13 baking dish. Next, take your thinly sliced potatoes and layer them on the bottom of your baking dish. On top of this, do a layer of the cooked, crumbled sausage, adding a touch of savory indulgence. And for a little extra flavor, sautéed onions are spread evenly over the sausage. The chopped onion should only take about 5 minutes to sauté. Whisk together your beaten eggs and milk in a mixing bowl. Season this blend with salt, pepper, and dried herbs. Pour this egg concoction evenly over the layers of potatoes, sausage, and onions in the baking dish. Sprinkle shredded cheddar cheese on top, because who doesn't love a golden cheesy crust? Place the casserole in the preheated oven and let it bake for about 45 minutes. When the eggs are set and the top is golden brown, you'll know it's ready. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.